Hi, everyone. Here's your RYSE step of the day. Why knowing your voice and the sound of your voice is so important for your growth journey. Last video, we spoke about quieting out the noise and finding solitude. When you find solitude, you're removing all of the voices that are not yours, all the voices that all of us have been raised with our parents telling us what we should do or we shouldn't do, what we can do or we can't do, what our siblings would tell us what we can or cannot do, what our schools and our teachers and our friends and society and culture tells us what we should conform to or not conform to. All of these are voices that all of us have been raised with. And so it's important for us to start to wipe those away in order to understand what our voice sounds like. What does your voice sound like? Is your voice, when there's no other noise, when there's no other voices, is your voice an encouraging voice? Is it a positive voice? Is it a voice that tells you can't do things? Is it a voice that tells you you're not good at things? Is it a voice that diminishes you and that discourages you from taking different steps in your life to improve and grow? These are the things that allow you to know more about yourself. And it's the first step for us to take on this journey of growth. And so once you know yourself and you know what your voice sounds like, you'll know what you have to work on. You'll know what the path towards recognition is and recognizing what your strengths and your weaknesses are. And so that's the journey that we're on. And that's why it's such an important first step to know what your voice sounds like. Who are you? What does your voice tell you? And I want you to come on this journey with me in the next video to talk about how we recognize, once we know what our voice sounds like, how do we recognize ourselves? How do we recognize our strengths and our weaknesses? I hope you join me in my next video. Thank you.